Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? In this video, we'll try to solve an integral which looks actually very complicated, but it's very easy if you understand the concept behind it. What we are integrating today is a polynomial divided by polynomial where power of the numerator is equal to the power of denominator. Here the power of numerator is 3 and power of denominator is also 3. Whenever the power of numerator is equal to the power of denominator, remember that we have to do method of adjustment. How do we do method of adjustment is we try to adjust the denominator term in the numerator. Now let's see how do we do that method of adjustment with a live example. What you do is you try to bring that denominator term in the numerator. So the denominator is the way it is. Let me write x cube minus x the way it is. And in the numerator, I already have x cube and then there is this minus 1. What we need is minus x along with this x cube. So what I do is I subtract x. In order to nullify that effect, I then add x. So, and I'm integrating with respect to x. So what I do is I subtract x and add x. And that way I bring that denominator term in the numerator. This is called method of adjustment, which is done when the power of numerator is equal to the power of denominator. Okay. Now what we can do is we can simply split this integral in those two terms, and let's see what do we get. Before actually splitting, just factor out minus from here. So we have integral of the first term is x cube minus x, factor out minus, so you will have 1 minus x. Because you are factoring out minus, this will become negative. Okay, and in the denominator you have x cube minus x with respect to x. Now you can simply split that denominator in both of those terms in the numerator. So you have integration of, let's put a bracket, x cube minus x divided by x cube minus x, minus we have 1 minus x divided by x cube minus x with respect to x. Now this and this will get cancelled and you will be left with 1. So you have integral of 1 minus 1 minus x. In the denominator, factor out x now. So you have x square minus 1 with respect to x. Now we can cancel something over here if we factor that x square minus a square. So that is x a square minus b square. You can write it as a minus b and a plus b. So you have integral of 1 minus 1 minus x divided by x into x minus 1 and x plus 1 with respect to, let's close the bracket and write with respect to x. If you notice carefully, this x minus 1 and 1 minus x are actually negatives of each other. The way you can figure that out is actually factor out negative 1 again from here. So if you factor out negative 1 again from here, what you have is integral of 1. If you factor out negative from here, this will become positive, and this 1 minus x will become x minus 1 divide by x, x minus 1 and x plus 1, and you are integrating with respect to x. Now again that x minus 1 and x minus 1 will get cancelled over here. Okay. Now what you can do is split that integral in both of those terms. So the first term is 1 with respect to x plus integral of 1 over x times x plus 1 with respect to x. In order to integrate this second term, generally I would do partial fractions, but the way it is formatted, you can actually apply a shortcut formula. Remember, whenever you see the coefficients of the variable same over here, okay, so there is actually one formula which is given by 1 over ab is equal to 1 over b minus a, 1 over a minus 1 over b. Now you can apply this particular formula here and treat this as a and this as b, and the way things will get cancelled out, you will fall in love with this integral. So let's see what happens when you do that. First of all, integral of 1 with respect to x is x plus integral of, okay, 1 over ab is 1 over b minus a. So x plus 1 minus x, so 1 over x plus 1 minus x bracket 1 over a minus 1 over x plus 1, okay, with respect to x. I hope that makes sense. If you want to see the math of this formula, just cross multiply here. So you have b minus a divided by ab. So left hand side will be equal to right hand side. It's a basic algebraic formula that we generally use as a shortcut of partial fractions whenever coefficients of x is same in the denominators. This x and this x will get cancelled. So you have basically x plus integral of 1 over x plus 1 over x plus 1 with respect to x. Now it is so simple because we know integral of 1 over x is nothing but ln x, ln mod x, and integral of 1 over x plus 1 is ln mod x plus 1. Plus let's add the constant of integration c, and this is nothing but the final integral that we are looking to solve. How cool was that integral, especially that algebraic simplification of 1 over ab, and also that trick whenever the power of numerator is equal to the power of denominator, you have to do method of adjustment. No one will show you that trick. If you want the PDFs of the formula sheets and all these solutions in the PDF format, don't forget to join the WhatsApp group, the link of which I have given in the first comment as well as description. I do post math and calculus content every single day. If you want to master calculus, join the WhatsApp group and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you tomorrow.